Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to attach a roof to a brick wall. This process involves creating a robust connection that ensures the structural integrity and longevity of your roof. We'll focus on a reliable method that prioritizes safety and durability. Remember, careful planning and using the correct materials are essential for a successful outcome. Let's get started by understanding the initial steps involved in this important construction task. Before attaching anything, proper wall preparation is key. First, accurately mark the exact height and level line where your ledger board will sit. Next, using a powerful hammer drill, create pilot holes for your chosen anchor bolts. These holes must be deep enough to fully house the anchors for maximum grip. Finally, meticulously clean out all dust and debris from each drilled hole to ensure a strong, unhindered bond. Now, it's time to secure the ledger board. Carefully position your pressure-treated timber ledger board against the marked line on the brick wall. Ensure the pre-drilled holes in the ledger perfectly align with the pilot holes you made in the brick. Insert robust anchor bolts, like through bolts or sleeve anchors, into each hole. Finally, tighten all these anchor bolts firmly to establish a strong, unyielding connection between the ledger and the brick wall. With the ledger board firmly in place, you can now connect your roof rafters. Begin by cutting your roof rafters to the precise length and angle required for your specific roof pitch. Next, attach sturdy metal rafter hangers to the ledger board, spacing them according to your structural plans. Carefully insert each rafter into its corresponding hanger, ensuring a snug and secure fit. Finally, fasten the rafters to the hangers, using approved structural screws or nails for a robust connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.